Hey, hey, it's Berta J, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to learn about cruciferous vegetables. Huh, you're saying? Maybe some of you already know about them. But for those of you who don't, cruciferous vegetables are magnificent additions to your diet, to what you eat every day. Sometimes during this talk I'll say sea vegetables because cruciferous is a long word. But anyway, cruciferous vegetables are amazing and they're a part of the cabbage family. How did they get their name? They got their name from a Latin word which means crucifix. Okay, Berta, so what about that? Well, when the plants, the cruciferous plants blossom, the blossom shape is a cross. And so, crucifix cross, that's how we got cruciferous. Okay? So you just learned something new. Now they have many, many benefits. And I'm going to share them with you. I couldn't remember all of them, so I wrote them down. The first is that cruciferous vegetables are very low in calories, so it'll help you to lose weight. They're rich in folate, which is one of the B vitamins. It's also rich in vitamin C, E, and K. It's high and very rich in fiber. Now, fiber you need so that you can feel full and you won't eat so much. These vegetables will do that. They're also able to help you regulate your blood sugar. They help to reduce inflammation in your body, which is one of the causes of arthritis and other diseases as well. It helps reduce the risk of cancer, and I also read somewhere where it actually helps in the prevention of cancer. So if you start eating these, your body will be able to fight off the cancer cells because it also helps to fight free radicals, okay? And it helps to also keep the estrogen levels in our bodies balanced. There's another thing that I want to read to you because I couldn't remember it and I wanted to make sure that I read it right. Listen to this. Cruciferous vegetables offer us the best of two worlds, significantly improving our ability to detoxify carcinogens, bad things that get into your body, like diesel fumes. You breathe them in, these vegetables will help you. And decreasing inflammation in our airways, not just in our bodies or in our joints, but also in our airways. That means a part of your respiratory system. All the while they're doing that, they are improving your respiratory defenses against infections. So colds and flus and things like that, any other kind of infection. Cruciferous vegetables are amazing. That statement came from Dr. Michael Greger, who has a website, which I will list it below, and you can go to that and read the whole story on what he calls splendiferous cruciferous vegetables, okay? Cruciferous vegetables have this ingredient in it, and it's called sulforaphane. Sulforaphane. And that ingredient helps to protect your brain, your eyesight, and it also fights against free radicals. There I'm saying free radicals again. Maybe I shouldn't say it at all. Okay, but to get the benefit of this ingredient from the vegetables, what you have to do, Dr. Greger again taught me this, is after you have cooked it, or if you're going to eat it raw, you need about a pinch of dry mustard powder, ground mustard seed, whatever it is. The two of them work together, the vegetables and the dry mustard, to release this sulforaphane so that your body gets the benefit of it, all the things that I had told you about. With all of that said about cruciferous vegetables, I want to list them. I'm not going to list them all. Again, in the website, you will be able to see a list that's more extensive than mine. But these are the ones that the average person probably knows very much about and will probably eat, okay? So this is the plate that I've made with cruciferous vegetables that I have right here in the house. The first one is arugula. And That's really great as a substitute for any kind of lettuce that you want to make salad. You could make a salad with a base of arugula. Arugula is a little spicy with a nutty taste. It's like people who like it or either like it or don't like it because of the taste, that spicy, nutty taste. So, but it is, I think it's very, very good. Broccoli, right here. You know about broccoli crowns. The next one, Brussels sprouts. Here they are right here. These little guys. They're one of my favorites. I really love Brussels sprouts. After that, cabbage. Collards are right here. These are collard greens, these leaves. And kale right here. This is the curly kind. But any kind of kale is going to give you the benefits of all the things I talked about before. And if you use this little bit of mustard powder, you'll get it. So any kind of kale. The same with the cabbage. Okay, radishes. These are used usually in salad. And I just read that you could also cook them. Now I've never had them cooked, but there they are, and you can cook them. Rutabaga and turnips and kohlrabi. They are all look turnipy. You can also eat the greens of turnips and get the same benefit as eating the turnips. Same with rutabaga. And the very last one is watercress. Now I don't have that on the tray either. So that's everything. Now you probably wonder, okay, this is great, Berta. I know I'm supposed to eat them. They give me all these wonderful things. How much is a serving? How much do I need to eat as a serving? I'm going to give you that. You can either do a half a cup, either cooked or raw. There's half a cup of one of these, or 1 tablespoon of horseradish, as I said before, 1/4 of a cup of Brussels sprouts. I really want to make this well known that if, in order to reap the benefits of these vegetables, put in the little bit of pinch of the dry mustard powder. So overall in your diet, try and see if you can get in about 5 servings of vegetables every day. I'll give you another website and it'll explain to you the different things that these are the things that you could eat in order to have a healthy diet and a healthy body. I'll put that website and make sure that I let you know that this is where you're going to find that list of items that you should eat every day. Of the 5 servings, cruciferous vegetables is just 1. So now if you eat a half a cup of these, you only have 4 more to go. If you have any questions or want to leave a comment, do that below. How's that? And so until next time, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell so that notification bell so that every time a new video is uploaded, you will get the notification. I hope this helps you. Just remember that Berta J is not a doctor, but I just do a lot of reading. This is information that is well known about cruciferous vegetables, and I hope you will take it, use it in your diet, and become a healthier person. Okay? Until next time, bye for now. What's the word? I really want to pounce.
Drill this into your skull.
So with that being said, I am done. For any questions that you have, please communicate them with, make them, forget that. What is the word that I want? Okay. Don't say anything. Okay. Helps with inflammation. Anti-inflammatory. Oh, if you have any comments, please put them below so that I can. How come I can't say this?
What is going on right now?
I don't know. It's not
You
about
some coffee up in your noggin?